Noodles. Noodles and gulay guys, oh. Noodles lang ito. May itlog. May balagay or garban sauce. And then kalamanggay. And then ampalaya. And then alagbati. Ayan, oh. Maraming gulay. Wala muna tayong rice ngayon. Ito lang muna. So this is this. Kaya tayo guys. Sarap gulay.